Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on SLP. On a daily time frame chart, the price on of SLP has broken out recently two down channels. One was the longer one, another was the smaller one. And after the breakout, we crossed up the target for the breakout from this recent down channel. That was, by the way, here at the top of the channel at 2.1 cents, and the price then rallied up to this resistance zone. That's out from 2.6 and goes to $0.003. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone has been breaking as a point of rejection here, and support zone here, and support zone here, and support zone here as well. And now it can again act as a strong resistance. By the way, now first we will need to break out this long-term resistance, then the price can again hit this resistance. And by the way, this resistance is here at $0.0021. That was previously breaking as a point of rejection here, and support here, and almost as support here as well. On the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of August 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ATM, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared on 11th of August 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP, and this is the daily time frame chart. You can see that recently we broke out this channel, but could not break out this resistance zone. There is a quite long-term resistance zone, by the way. I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks it out, then soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel. And that target will be, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. And over there we have another very strong and long-term resistance as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $0.006 had been working as a point of rejection here, resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can act as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.